Checking returnability. How to use Pubeasy to check returnability. Now, if an item is available to order on Pubeasy, that also tells you that it's available to return to that supplier if you have returnable accounts. So in order for this to work well, you need to have done the basic steps to set up your account to do ordering. So you need to have gone to suppliers, account linking, and linked valid supplier accounts. But assuming that you've done that, then your next step would be to go to create order, ISBN list. And then you would want to pick whatever supplier you are planning to return to. And presumably you would have a spreadsheet of your ISBNs, or you could scan them in here individually. I have a spreadsheet that I'm just going to copy and paste. And for ordering, you'd want to put quantities, but for returns, all you need are the ISBNs. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of ISBNs that I ordered from Hachette, and I want to see if I can still return them to Hachette. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And it's going to give you your results. And what you're interested in are the unorderable products. And this is why you need to have your accounts linked where it says add to shopping cart, because otherwise everything's going to show up as unorderable. But I'm going to click the unorderable, and it shows me two different ones on my spreadsheet that Pubeasy thinks are not returnable. So these are ones that I would want to double check on. This one specifically doesn't look like it's even distributed through Hachette. It might be a problematic title. And this one looks like it's now out of print. So it's possible I may be able to return it. You would have to contact the supplier and see when the out of print date was, because usually you have 6 months from when a title goes out of print to return it. So if it just went out of print, it's still returnable, but if it was a year ago, I'm going to have to put it on the bargain shelf. And then I can search just up here all my suppliers to see if this other title is maybe another publisher, or Pubeasy just doesn't know about it at all, but it's not a Hachette title. So that's a way that you can use Pubeasy for kind of an off-label use to check returnability, because it's really terrible if you accidentally send a title back to the wrong supplier. You've basically just lost all your money there. I hope this is helpful.